Morning everybody. In previous class we have studied about the importance of tournament and the last point of importance of tournament that we have not covered. So today we are going to cover that point, and after that we will move into types of tournament section and so on. So let us start with the last point of importance of tournament. Promoting national and international integration. What does it mean? Though political and cultural differences abound between nations and sometimes within the nation, tournament create a space where integration displaces disagreements. The Olympics, World Cup, Indian Premier League, national games, etc. are excellent example of sporting event in which harmony and cooperation are promoted. Now let us move into types of tournament section. Basically, there are three types of tournament: knockout tournament, league or round robin tournament, and combination tournament. Let us begin with knockout tournament. What is knockout tournament? Tournament in which the defeated team or player does not get the chance of participating further. The team which loses at any stage, he or she will not allowed to participate further. Once he lose, he will get eliminated. For example, given here two sets of team A, B, C, D competing each other. B and D wins their matches and advance to the second round. B and D wins their matches and qualify for the second round. After that, there is a match between B and D, and B finally wins the game. In each round, the loser is eliminated. In each round, if the match between A and B, B wins the game and A will get eliminated from the game. They will not get the chance to participate further. Another one, C and D, D wins the game and C will get eliminated. They will not get the chance of participating further. Now we will study about the advantage of knockout tournament. What is the advantage of knockout tournament? First one, saves cost and time. What does it mean? Since each defeated team is removed from the tournament, knockout saves cost and time. Second point, each team gives their best. What does it mean? Since there are no second chances, each team has to play seriously and give their best so that they can qualify for the second round. Last one is requires less people. Knockout tournament requires fewer people, less people in order to be organized successfully. It requires less number of people to get the tournament success. Now, disadvantage of knockout tournament. What is the disadvantage of knockout tournament? Did not get the second chance to prove themselves. Some teams don't get a second chance to prove themselves. It is possible that a team can perform better in another event. Knockout don't allow it to do that. If it loses in the first round, it can thus be said that due to the random pairings of teams, some teams may miss the opportunity to use their full potential. Second point, weaker team may get the advantage. An overall weaker team might advance further due to winning its first round. They will get the advantage. Third point, cannot judge team's abilities. Knockout can be poor judge of a team's abilities. The best of 3 or best of 5 shows which teams are the most consistent in their performance that knockouts do. Last one, decline sales of tickets. If the teams that the spectator came to support lose the early rounds, then the later might not return to watch, leading to decline sales of ticket. Now we will move into leagues or round robin. What is leagues or round robin tournament? It is of two types: single league tournament, double league tournament. What is single league tournament? Each team compete against every other participant once. It means one team have to play every other team single. He will play every other team singly. In double league tournament, each team compete against each other twice. Each team will play against every other team twice. Now, formula of calculating how many matches will be played. For single league tournament, the formula is n bracket n minus 1 whole divided by 2, where n stands for number of participants or team. For example, if the team is 8, so how many matches they have to play? If the number of teams is 8, then 8 bracket 8 minus 1 whole divided by 2. What it comes? 8 minus 1, 7 whole divided by 2. 8 into 7, 56 divided by 2. What it will come? 56 divided by 2, it will 28. So one team have to play 28 matches. For double league tournament, the formula is n bracket n minus 1, where n also stands for number of team or participants. Let us take an example here also. If the number of team is 8, then formula is n bracket n minus 1. So 8 bracket 8 minus 1 equals to 8 into 7. What it will come? 56. It means the team have to play a total of 56 matches. Let us move into what is the advantage and disadvantage of league tournament. First point, each team or player get the chance to prove himself. League gives each participant the chance to prove itself against every opponent involved in the tournament. As such, there is no question of missed opportunity. It is fair way of determining the best and most consistent competitor. Many footballs and cricket tournament uses this approach. Second point, get the second chance to prove themselves. There is no such thing as getting lucky in round robins. Even if a team defeats another in the first round due to sheer luck, they will still have to outperform the others. Third point, strength and weakness can be judged clearly. Since leagues accurately measure the performance of a particular team or player, their strength and weakness can be evaluated with greater certainty. Last, earn a lot of revenue. League tournaments tend to be popular and also earn a lot of revenue. Fans get to cheer their player or teams through a greater number of matches. Now we will go